Hi everybody, I'm back. I'm on a roll. Sorry about that, but I have to pop these videos out because I got a very busy week, like I said before. I received my Color Street paper nail wraps. I love them. They last me for 3 weeks. Where can you go get a manicure? I paid half price for most all these. Most of them were either $13, so that brought it down to say $7.50, $7.50, $14. Some were $8, some were they varied, and I even got some as low as $6. I paid only $6 for. And this is through Trinity Bills, and this is where I was buying my color strip nails, but she has decided no longer to be doing this, and I got a bunch of them, and I want to share with you, and I will share with you, and then one day I will show you how I put them on. This here, it says thank you. And this is a beautiful red color. It's 16 long-lasting strips. Made in the USA. I love that, made in the USA. And these do last me. I thought there was a name on these. When you pick them out, there is a name for the color, but I don't see it on here. But this is some sort of a red. I thought that would be pretty at Christmas. I got that one. Look at this. Sparkle, sparkle. Can you see that? It's a deep, deep purple. And I got these before, and I liked them. Miss Kimmy, your favorite color coming up. Look at that color. Isn't that pretty? Doesn't say. Oh, these ones say 16, 16. So far, all 16. They were coming with more in a package. This here is it's a purple, but a different color purple. It doesn't have the shimmery shade color. And this one here is, I didn't know how I was gonna like this, but I thought I might save it for, I don't know, maybe Halloween or whatever, but the price was so good I couldn't refuse. Black. Those can't be black because I know I didn't order 2 black. I only ordered 1. I think they're black. I'm gonna have to look into that because I know I only ordered 1, or this might be a hunter green now that I'm looking deeper at it, because green is my favorite color. And this, isn't that a beautiful color? Oh, just love that color. And these all have 16 in them. And they, like I said, these are done with real nail polish strips. Real nail polish strips. And what I do is when I apply it, I pinch it off. I'll show you, or I cut it. You don't want to cover your nail bed when you put them on. And then I put a clear coat over the nail after I apply it, and that way it even helps. I do dishes, I clean, I do everything with it. I really like these too. It's a different color purple. And if I had the money to start up, I would try to sell these. Yes, because I believe so much in these. They really work. Maggie, there's nothing in this bag. There's absolutely nothing. Maine, you have to have your own bags when you go shopping. Maggie's trying to get the end of it. Maggie, you want to say hi to everybody? Hi, Maggie, up here. Look up here, look. Nope, it was just a brief hi. This here is like, excuse me, a little darker than a beige, but I liked it a lot. And another color, purple. It's a little lighter. And this one here is a little lighter. And look, you guys are gonna be seeing me wear these. Aren't those pretty? They got the holly and the red berries. And why I did the hollies and the red berries is because I can wear these after Christmas. It's got the greenery and the red. And Guess what, guys? You're gonna love this one. Does that holler me or what? Isn't that beautiful? And look at this, 100% real nail polish strips. Again, penguin in light blue. I kind of thought that was different. I thought maybe I could do 2 fingers in penguins, and I only like to either do 2 fingers or 1 and then try to match nail polish, or maybe do them all. You never know. Now that I showed you that, there's a hidden giveaway. You guys didn't know that, did you? So if you stayed to the end of this video, a hidden giveaway, and the word is, you need to use in a sentence, you need to be subscribed to me, is going to be Color Street. Use it in a sentence, my choice of what I mail out. I don't know what it will be. I may just close my eyes and pick one. It will be my choice. If you'd like to get in on this and try to win, it will be Color Street again, and I'll mail them right out to you. Need to be a subscriber. You need to be 18 years or older. Once it leaves my mailbox or the post office, I'm no longer responsible for it, because there's a lot of lost stuff going on right now, or people taking things. Not responsible. I will give you a tracking number, and I'm not sure how I'm going to, I'll do a live or something, an update. Today is, what's today, Ray? Monday. Today's Monday. I will draw on, I think, Saturday. Because Saturday's the day I do shout outs, but I'll do a drawing for Saturday. So it gives you plenty of time. Tell your friends, tell your family, tell whoever you want. I will check to see if you're a subscriber. I don't have that thing on my phone where you can draw a name, but maybe I'll try to figure it out. I may just put it in the bowl like the old-fashioned way, because I'm an old-fashioned gal. So these are all my Color Street nails. Now let me tell you, I'm not going to tell you how much I spent, but I spent a good amount of money because I love them, I believe in them, and that's all I got to say. Don't forget, put yourself in Color Street in a sentence if you'd like to try to win these. So have a great day. God bless, and I'll be drawing on Saturday. Come on back now. And oh, don't forget, on the 15th of December, I have a challenge with Jules and M. Come vote. I'll have her link down. We are doing a challenge on a gingerbread house. Oh, Maggie, she bite my toes. And votes count, so come on back. We'll see you. Don't forget, December 15th, mark the date. Have a great day. God bless. We'll see you now. Bye.